Hello, my name is Dominique Varner, and this is The Breakdown. Today we're going to be talking about what robotic prostheses are, why they work, and how modern technology has improved them. There are two types of prosthesis. There's a traditional prosthesis, which replaces or augments the missing limb, and a robotic prosthesis that uses modern technology to improve the mobility of the limb. Both prostheses can be used in day-to-day activities like walking, running, or even holding a pencil. Now you know what prostheses are. Let's take a look at robotic prostheses and how they work. There are three major components. There's a sensor, there's an actuator, and then there's a control system. Let's take a brief look at each of them. A control system takes the energy and data from the EMG and converts it so that the actuator can move the robotic arm. Most robotic prostheses uses an EMG and an electromyography that use electrodes that collect data from the brain. Once it collects all the data, it gets sent to the control system, which allows the robotic arm to move. Actuators are like converters. They take the data from the control systems, translate it into information that it can use so that it can turn it into physical motions. Now you know what prostheses are, how robotic prostheses get their groove. Now let's take a look at modern technology and how it's improved it. We have rising companies like Psionic over in San Diego, California, where they have worked to build advancements in their bionic hand. They call their bionic hand the ability hand. It not only allows them to touch, but it's water resistant and impact resistant. This makes it easier for people who wear them to go back to their everyday uses.
Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how I would use my ability hand to open a bag of chips. So typically I would either be in pinch grip, so that's my index finger and my thumb so that I can grab the top of the bag and open it up, or I would be in tripod grip. Tripod grip just adds the middle finger, so it's my index finger, my middle finger, and then my thumb. And then to get started, I will typically use my dominant hand to kind of start and guide where my ability hand is grabbing with that tripod grip. So I'm going to grab it in tripod and then using my dominant hand, open the bag of chips. And yeah, there you have it. That's how I open a bag of chips using my ability hand.
Now let's take a look at what we learned. We learned there are two types of prosthesis, a robotic prosthesis and a traditional prosthesis. We also learned how robotic prosthesis work and their three major components. Then we got a real-world example like companies from Psionic. Is this a career worth looking into? There's so many different ways you can help people. Maybe this could be yours. Thank you for watching. See you next time for The Breakdown.